Dr. Gupta. Thank you for joining us at this international conference. Can you please introduce yourself, please?
I'm Dr. Rani Gupta. I'm from New Delhi, India, and I've been working in India for almost 40 years in a central government institute. It was not a private setup, but all government employees and all poor population from anywhere in India could come to our hospital, and most of the treatment there was free for everyone.
So, tell us what are the challenges facing women's healthcare nowadays?
In India, I can say the people are very ignorant and
Regarding
illiterate
women's.
regarding women and say. So they don't even know that this is the treatment they can get. This thing can be treated, this cannot be treated. But nowadays there is awareness, for the general population, for people living in villages, that now they know that there are the treatment facilities available. So they don't sit back in their villages. They definitely move to the towns and metro cities for the treatment because of the awareness.
And say that people now get aware, especially regarding the women's and their health. And what are the recent advancements you have observed in the gynecology?
Now, when I was a student, or you can say when I just joined the services, we used to do open surgeries mostly, and it would take time. It was time consuming. Plus, patient hospital stay was more. But and the second thing was infertility, which was not as good treated as good as it is treated nowadays. So now most of the endoscopy things have come up, which takes lesser time, is comfortable for the patient, hospital stay is less. And in infertility, previously, patient used to get blamed, especially the ladies, that they are not becoming pregnant, it's their fault. But now again, with the inspiration of people and awareness, that now they know that the fault is not only in ladies. I mean, both partners are equally important for confinement and conceiving. And lot of IVF things is coming up. So it's a boon to the lady that they become pregnant because of the IVF facilities.
At last, what message would you like to give to the young doctors, and especially who are willing to become the gynecologists in the future?
The thing is that they should be very patient with the patient. I mean, you don't have to hurry up. You have to listen to the patient, what she's saying. Because these complaints or whatever you call symptoms are very important.
Thank you so much for joining us at this event.